Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are doing well. I'm teacher Amoza here. Today, we are going to learn a new unit, Unit 8, and the unit name is Our Amazing Body. In this unit, we are going to learn about parts of a human body, explore ways to stay healthy and strong, talk about being hurt or not feeling well. Also, we are going to discover some amazing facts of our body. So I want you all to open your learner book, page number 104. So as always, we start our lesson with some warm up, right? So I want you all to ask yourself some questions. Do you exercise? What is your favorite sport? Okay, why do we exercise? We exercise in order to stay healthy and strong. So you can either exercise or you can also play your favorite sport so that you can be healthy and you can be more strong. So now we are going to start with the listening. Listen and look at the page that I told you to open, 104. Look at the picture and tell me who is there in the picture. Like you can tell me who is that person. The person is a doctor. What is she showing to us? She's showing heart and lungs. So she wants to tell you something. Let us see what she wants to tell us. Okay. So now I'm going to do the listening. It's a listening time. So listen carefully, children, and just focus on your book. Hello, my name is Dr. Monre. Today, we are having a look inside the body to learn about how our body works. Listen, what do you think that is? That is a heart. Your heart beats day and night. It doesn't stop. Put your hand on your chest. Perhaps you can feel your heartbeat. So now I want you all to put your hand on your chest and feel your heartbeat for some seconds. I hope you all have kept your hand on your heart and you're feeling the beat. What do you feel? How it is? How do you feel when you keep your hand on your heart? You can feel your heartbeat, right? Now I'm going to tell you some interesting facts about a human heart. You know that your heart is not very big. Is it a shape of that what we make in the picture? No. The heart is very small in size and it is the size of your fist. Can you see on the picture? Can you see a hand holding that the person who is closing his hand? That is called fist. So your heart is not very big. It is about the size of your fist, but it is very important part of your body. The whole system of your body works because of your heart. Your heart, it supplies blood to all over the body. Your heart beats about 72 times every minute. When you run or you exercise, your heart beats more quickly, and even your heart beat 1 lakh times a day without taking any rest. See, if you work hard, you get tired, but your heart, it never stops. It keeps on working. So, these are some amazing facts about human heart. Did you understand? Okay, now if I ask you all, where is your heart, children, exactly? So, everyone will tell teacher, it is on the left side of my chest. Well, it's not, children. It's actually in the middle of the lungs. Okay, can you see in the picture? There are two lungs here in the picture and in the middle there is a heart. So if next time if anyone is asking you, you can tell them that my heart is in the middle of the lungs, not on the left side of your chest. Okay. Now, there's a question. What is inside our body? Under our skin? What do you think? What is inside our body? Now you all will say that teacher will learn about the lungs and the heart. So let us see what is inside our body. Can you see a boy? See, his body is like normal body, how we look from the top. Okay, now inside his body, let us see what is there inside his body. See, from inside he looks like this. We all look like this from inside. We have a skull, we have a shoulder blade, then you can see the ribs. Can you see this ribs? I told you, know, that your heart is protected by the ribs. These are the rib cage. Now your backbone, your hip bone, your upper limb arm, your lower limb arm. So from inside our body is like a skeleton. It's called skeleton. Okay, now we are going to learn about brilliant bones and marvelous muscles. What do you understand by this brilliant bones? Okay, now look at the picture. Bones and muscles. Can you see a person with the skeleton? So his full body, you can see all the bones. And the person in the other picture, you can see his muscles. So now I'm going to tell you first about the bones. You know, our bones give our body a proper shape. Put your hands on the back and feel your backbone. Come on, children, put your hand back and feel your backbone. You know, your backbone, if it is straight, it helps you to stand tall. Whenever we stand straight. So what, because of what we stand straight? Because of our backbone. Okay. Now I want you all to stand up tall, bend and twist. Can you do that? Yes, because your backbone will support you to stand tall. Okay. Now we will talk about the muscles. You know, your muscles are always connected to your bone. Muscle move our arms and legs when we run, jump or lift something. Okay, in the other picture, other slide, I will show you that. Okay, as I told you that the bones are giving shape to your body. So what muscles are doing? You know, muscles help us to move our arms and legs when we run, when we jump or when we lift things. So this time you can utilize and make your muscles more stronger. Okay, you can do some activities, home activities. Don't go out. Okay, you can sit at home and do some stretching exercises or something like that to make your muscles more and more stronger. Now can you see in this picture a boy? He make Can you just make a fist like him and feel your muscle in your upper arm? Can you feel it? That is your muscle. When you lock your fist like this and you can just feel your upper arm. Okay, just feel it. Come on, do it. Now after closing your fist and you can feel your upper arm, now I want you all to smile and feel the muscles in your face. When you smile, you're doing, you know, a sort of an exercise. Okay, so when you smile, you can feel the muscles in your face. Now let us do some activity. Okay, now can you see a woman's hand? She's keeping some two fingers or to check the pulse. So I want you all to keep your hand for 15 seconds like this and count your heartbeat. Okay, then after that I want you to do 25 jumping jacks. Now after doing 25 jumping jacks, what happens to your pulse rate? When you again check your pulse, what happens? You can feel that your heart is working more fast. Okay, did your pulse rate change after jumping jacks? What do you think? Yes. Did your breathing change? Because when we work hard, our breathing level goes up and even our heart beat level goes up. Okay. Okay. So I hope you all enjoyed this lesson. I know that you're sitting at home, but no need to worry. I know you all are very talented and you will definitely you will definitely study hard and do well, and inshallah after this pandemic period we are going to definitely meet each other Even I'm missing you a lot and you are missing me a lot. But don't worry, you are very intelligent. You all are very intelligent, and I'm very proud of you all that you are, without a teacher, you are doing so well in all the subjects. So, I have an home assignment for you. You have to do what you have to do. You have to read your learner book pages again, like 104 and 105, and complete the activity book pages 88 and 89. Note the task number 2 and 3 on activity book page number 88. You have to do it in your notebook. So, children, stay safe, stay healthy, eat healthy, and inshallah, see you soon. Take care.